Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly focus on messages you haven't responded to yet, especially if your inbox is overflowing with emails. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to fully load all your emails. Depending on how many messages you have, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything syncs up. Once your email has loaded completely, you're ready to filter for unread messages. Navigate to your inbox pane, which is typically on the left side of your screen where all your folders are displayed. This is where all your incoming emails land by default. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top of your inbox pane where you'll see filtering options. From here, the process is actually quite straightforward. Simply click on the filter dropdown and select Unread. This option tells Outlook to index and display only the emails you haven't opened yet. It's a clean, efficient way to cut through the clutter and zero in on what actually needs your attention. After selecting Unread, Outlook will automatically refresh your view and show you only the messages that haven't been read. This saves you from scrolling endlessly through your entire inbox trying to spot which emails you've missed. You can now go through each unread email one by one, respond to what's important, and mark others as read if needed. And that's it. You've now filtered your inbox to show only unread emails in Outlook, making it much easier to stay on top of your messages and manage your workflow efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.